How to see the NFTs that you bought on Metamask. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to see your NFTs on Metamask in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Metamask app. As you can see, this is my wallet. This is the homepage of every Metamask account. So if you want to see NFTs that you bought, you need just to go from tokens to click on NFTs, and here you will find NFTs you bought. You will find them all here in one place in easy fast way. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Thanks.